this right now. How are you, kids? Yeah, come on in. Sure. Rest of us got here all the time. You know.
Chilling by yourself? Why not? I'm gonna tell you the way it goes.
How you doing, Kiri? You know who I am? Yeah. Good. That's good parenting. Good parenting.
Look at that guy. I'm teasing. How you teasing? Single. Ooh, she winked at me. Up your game, buddy. You got competition here.
Come in. How are you? Come on in. Don't be shy. How are you, friends? Good to see you.
Welcome to the theater. Come on in. There it is. We got someone excited over there.
Okay, who's seen the show before? Anybody?
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't say the jokes, all right, before we say them.
Oh yeah, kid's a big fan. I'm excited to see you too, don't worry.
Come on in, how are you? Good to see you, girls. How are you? Yeah, over here. Wow.
I don't pretend to like each other. That's what I'm doing.
We're just gonna stand there. Oh, sorry, you know what you're doing, sorry. You do your job, I didn't mind. Okay, that's got wheels. Okay. I got it. Don't panic.
First date? No? Second? 13 years? That's why you look so sad.
How are you? Hey, come on in, kid. How are you? Good to see you. You know who I am? Wow. That's on you, Mom. That's on you.
It's not your first time here, is it? Nah, professional. That's what I like. Alright, so besides this, what's the best next thing to do in the park? Oh yeah, sure, pick a new thing. Yeah. You know, so forbidden journeys like yesterday's noon, right? Yeah. How you two doing?
Right.
You're giving me a lot to work with here. You from around here? No? Where you guys hail from? Where are you from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas, world traveler. Did you drive here or did you fly? You flew. They let you fly the plane. Yeah, we don't have that right around here, so these roller coasters would be like nothing, man.
Who's from out of town, anybody? Where you from? Tennessee. Sure. Welcome to civilization.
How you two doing? All right, we're playing charades now, are we? Okay. Can't imagine what you guys are excited to see in the park today. What? Okay, sure.
You can't swing my butt with him.
All right, I know what angle you want. Settle down. Now get that wide lens on that. That's right.
Oh, there. Yeah, come over here. Yeah. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Me? Yeah. Still dead.
Oh. Something for your nightstand. I know.
Hey, girls. Look real pretty today. You can return the compliment or not. That's fine. Oh, I see you got a hold. Yeah, I got it. Wow. Long day for you, sir.
Cheap seats, how you doing back there? That's what I'd like to see there. Two thumbs up. I know, that's all good. You all right there? Just making sure, you know. You just clean your hands down, you know. Let's end it up. I'll sanitize, you know. I'm kind of joint right here, you know. Get ready, you know. It's all good, you know. Cleanliness is good. Ah, that's 90 proof. Ah.
Where are you from, babe? You and your friends. Texas, those. Okay. I have a dirty joke there, but I'm gonna let it go.
You like what you see? Silly question, of course you do.
Sir, nothing personal, but I can see your face. If you could just, yeah. Not because of the virus, just because. I love that you know you're here, Otis. Think I pulled that off? I don't know. I don't know if I can pull that off.
So how's the Hodder family doing? Whose idea was it with the shirts? Yeah, I figured. I'm teasing it is. It's not your first time here, right? So what's the best thing to do over at Potter? Well, that was a safe answer. So nothing disappoints you? I mean, no alcohol, no beer, you know. False, you know. Right there, babe. She knows how to have a good time. All right, I'm gonna answer the question you're dying to ask, and it's all natural. You gotta keep an eye on that one, don't you?
I'm not talking to you. You're good.
How you guys doing?
Fantastic.
Did you like rehearse that one? What was that? Yeah, pretty much. Are you two twins?
Yeah.
So what's your relationship to those two?
My wife.
So you make one mistake. Awesome. I'm teasing. I'm messing with you. Don't worry, so you're available, are you? Don't worry, we don't need to talk, don't worry. I know. Take her breath away, I have that effect. Yeah, twins.
How we doing, Freddie? You're not Freddie, I'm talking to Freddie. See you later, Freddie.
How you guys doing back there? Well, you know, set the bar low, I guess. How you doing? I woke up. Okay. Nah, it's all good. All right. How many annual pass holders are in here?
Woo!
Yeah, I thought I smelled something. That's right. Don't worry, guys. It's the same non-jokes. I know you're worried about that. Welcome to the theater. Come on in. Oh yeah, that kid's excited. Yeah, let's not fix this relationship. I like this. Welcome to the theater, you two. Make your way in there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming here today. And as a reminder, if you're out there playing there in the park, 2 meters if you go by that measurement system. Wash your hands constantly. Kids, if you have to cough or sneeze, cover that up. It's not a souvenir. I've tried. Come on in. What took you so long? Yeah, blame the little kids.
Get that right.
Let me tell you, it doesn't get any better when you get older, buddies. I'm gonna let you know that. Speaking of time, looks like my time's up. Now, I know you guys don't want me to leave, let's be honest here, but you gotta admit, you love watching me go. Oh yeah, get the wide lens angle on that right there. Oh, what I forget? Yes! Corporate safety guidelines. All right, here, let's get this over with. Okay. Technical difficulties. Ah, there we go. Okay, good. I know. It's on the clapper, I forgot, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, I'd like to remind each and every one of you to please refrain from any eating, drinking, or smoking. Flash photography is more than welcome. In fact, get those hashtags on those photos. But since we're talking about those cell phones, let's go ahead and put those things on the silent. No one wants that disruption during the middle of a show. Thank you. Thanks, babe. A reminder to my families out there with small children. This show does have some special effects and some props that could be frightening, but let's be honest. Those kids got the internet. And lastly, this is the horror makeup show, which means I need to hear your best horror movie scream. So, let's do it together on 3. 1, 2, 3! Woo! That sucked. Come on, you can do better than that! 1, 2, 3! This last time, I want you to scream, but imagine all of this in a bikini! Hey, twins on. It's showtime! The exit's over here. That sucked.